Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is so extremely clearly a wave A, 3 waves down for B, and we're most likely in a wave C. This is most likely a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. We are getting closer to a Fibonacci level right around the 210 area, so maybe that will be the area where this finally ends at wave 3 and makes a wave 4 and a wave 5. But until it actually gives us some evidence that the wave 3 is over, I still would be very, very bullish. Going down to the weekly time frame, definitely no breaker structure, definitely no Fibonacci bounce, no lower high, no reason to do anything on the sort of time frames except for look for longs in a uptrend because the trend is your friend. Going down to the daily time frame, we do have a Fibonacci level on the daily that we would just add, but I mean, it really barely even respected it. I think this is more likely a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. Now, maybe this is getting close to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3, but really, I mean, it's probably more likely that it is going to go up to this 100% Fibonacci extension, which is the weekly time frame Fib level right around the $210 area. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, I'm definitely still very bullish. Every single time frame from the 4 hour to the monthly and everything in between is currently in a uptrend with no evidence of the uptrend being over. That tells me there's no reason for me to even remotely think about going short on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking for 3 wave pullbacks. 1, 2, 3 waves down. 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 Even right here, 1, 2, 3 waves down. So we've had some really, really good entries over the last couple of weeks. Even way back here, we had 1, 2, 3 wave pullback. So what am I doing now? I know one thing that I'm definitely not doing is looking for shorts. One thing that I 100% am doing is patiently waiting for more pullback entries, for more continuations of the uptrend. When every single higher time frame is telling you that you're in an uptrend, you have no business on these sort of time frames looking for shorts. You would be so wealthy right now if you spent the last several years doing nothing but looking for longs on the yen pairs. And until we have evidence that the trend is over on at least a daily time frame, I would continue to do nothing but look for longs every chance I get at the end of every single pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.